Hey guys, I'm outside doing what everybody every single day who owns hens does, and that's taking care of business or taking care of chickens. So come along. Yeah, the frost is back. I gotta figure this out today for the hens. This is okay. Let's get some insects out of here. Yeah, they were thirsty. They didn't know there was water in there. I have to do something about this too. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh heavens. Yeah, this again. I've been listening to this nonsense for about 20 minutes now. This fox, he was out front of my house and he moved to the back. I chased him from the front to the back. He can walk fine. I don't know what he's doing. If he's calling other fox, I don't know. But I know he's been walking around my house because I saw his footprints in the snow earlier in the week. I have to keep an eye on him. Yeah, it's been going on for about 20 minutes now. I don't think he was hurt because he was moving fine, but luckily the hens are all locked up for the night. So that fox came through my yard, he walked up this way, came back down through here. You can tell it's a fox because look at the straight line. Dogs don't do that, just fox. He came through here, past my travel trailer. He walked up through here, through my neighbor's yard, came back down. I don't know where he came though. I kind of lost his track. But I do know that he ended up, so he didn't come through my side yard. I think he went through the neighbor's yard, down through there, and then walked around here, because he came back through here, and we can see where he peed. He peed here, and he peed over here. So yeah, I gotta keep an eye out for him. Little sly animals. Hey girls, yeah, we're gonna keep an eye out for those fox. I know girls, it's a racket. They're out there taking some limbs off one of my neighbor's trees. It's a mess. It's loud as heck. I know. I don't like it either. Martha, there's nothing I can do about it though. We're just gonna have to get through it. I know, I hear you. It is loud. It is loud. I'll stay with you guys for a couple minutes so you don't feel so afraid, okay? Okay. It'll be all right. Neighbor's trying to get that big oak in his front yard taken down. It's scaring the hens a little bit, but they're getting used to it. Look, it's levitating. All right, girls. I can't get through the door here. You gotta move. You gots to move. Okay, holy moly. 9 hens under my feet. All right. Okay, what do we got here, girls? What do we got here? We got some stuff. They're not gonna let me even get it ready for them. Get out of the way. Come on, girls, get the heinies out of the way. Come on. Let's get these one here pour this in here. All right, okay. Can I hang it up, please? Can I hang it up? Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. All right, well, I need to hang it up. I do. Let me hang it up. Here's some of the grass that you guys like. Okay. I tried to grow the grass a little differently without dirt. Dismal. Won't try that again. Horrible. Not good. Not good. Okay, girls. Tiny. Yeah, I didn't get very much off of that, just trying to grow it in water. That was bad. Won't do that no more. So I actually pulled the seed up with the little bit of grass it had and put dirt on the bottom, and then it started growing again. So yeah, trying to get that done. There we go. Oop. Made a little bit of mess, but actually some of them like to eat it off the ground. Some of them will kind of pull the crumble out, and others will kind of eat underneath it. I got some water. Okay, let's put this in here. Let's see what kind of eggs we got today. Yeah, it's okay, that's a mess. Let's see what we got here today. Oh, we got some blues. Oh yeah, I got some pretty blues. A pretty blue. We got a green and a blue. Oop. No, that's a white, sorry. Green, blue. A green, white, excuse me. Got a brown. Alright. I'm trying to hold this thing open with my noggin. There's that new egg, that olive egg. I think it's so neat looking. Really cool. But then, and maybe it's this one. So, now this is queen. Hers is kind of like the speckledy color. Yeah. I got another blue. These aren't very big yet, but they're getting there. They're getting there, which is cool. So yeah, I enjoy my girls. I really like this. Some people don't like these dollar eggs. They call them ugly. I just think they're kind of cool looking. That's a good size egg too. It'll get bigger. But I like it. I do. Yeah, we had some issues with a fox the other night, screaming like a banshee, and I didn't know what he or she was doing. And then I looked up. Whoa, come on. I looked it up, and sometimes they'll cry out if they're in danger, but also in December, January, it's mating time. So sometimes they're crying out for a mate to come, or they're trying to protect some older cubs that they have. I don't know if they're called cubs or what they're called for fox, but it could have been December, January is I guess with the deer they call it the rut, but I don't know what they call it with fox. But yeah, it was going nuts. I don't remember hearing that here in the past, but I guess maybe it only happens once a year and we're inside, so maybe we don't hear it as much, but it was kind of interesting. Kind of interesting. So chores are good today. Chores are good. Just getting them done. Yeah, all my girls are laying. I keep hoping and praying that Miss Moran will show up one day, but I don't think so. But hey, we can hope, right? We can hope. We can hope. Guys, thanks a lot for watching my video. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great week, and hope you guys are doing well. Take care, guys. God bless.